When you authorize a $50,000 international transfer through a legacy bank, the amount leaving your account is rarely the amount that arrives. This occurs because of a specific sequence of deductions buried in the transaction's fine print. This chart shows the exact difference between the mid-market exchange rate and the rate your bank gives you. Traditional banks routinely build a 2 to 6% margin into their conversion rates, capturing fast before the money even moves. Once the transfer initiates, it enters the SWIFT network. Your funds bounce through a chain of intermediary correspondent banks over 3 to 5 business days. Every bank in that chain takes a cut. You cannot predict the exact final cost of a standard wire transfer until it clears. For a scaling company, that unpredictability operates as a direct tax on your operating margins. Airwallex was built to bypass this system entirely. Co-founder Jack Zhang realized small and medium enterprises needed the same infrastructure that major institutions use. Running a cafe in Melbourne, Zhang and his co-founder faced massive foreign exchange fees just to import coffee cups. They designed a platform to solve that specific high-volume payment problem: local payment rails. Instead of sending money across borders through SWIFT, Airwallex plugs directly into domestic clearing systems in over 110 regions. Because the transfer stays on local networks, over 70% of payments arrive the same day, and the exchange markup is a transparent 0.5% for major currencies. Step 1 is establishing your localized presence. Inside the dashboard, navigate to your wallet, open global accounts, and click Create New Account. You are generating actual localized bank details for regions like the US or the UK. You receive an ACH routing number or a faster payments code without the paperwork of opening a physical foreign branch. You can receive and hold funds in over 20 currencies simultaneously. When a European client pays you in euros, the money stays in euros. You avoid forced conversions. This gives you a permanent financial footprint in major global trade hubs like Singapore. Within minutes, a domestic operation gains the functional capacity to collect and disperse capital like a local entity in 20 different markets. Now let's pay an international supplier. Click New Transfer and select your payee. Urgent. Pay close attention to the transfer method dropdown. If you select the SWIFT network here, you opt back into the traditional banking system. A SWIFT transfer carries a flat fee of $15 to $30. Plus those hidden correspondent bank deductions that reduce your final payout. By selecting local, you bypass that infrastructure entirely. Your recipient gets the exact amount you send in their domestic currency, usually within hours. If you need to pay an entire overseas team, the Batch Transfers tool lets you upload a single CSV file and route up to 1,000 payments simultaneously through those same local rails. Relying on default wire settings is where businesses bleed capital. Taking a second to verify your transfer method stops that leakage. On the final execution screen, the live interbank exchange rate and your exact markup are clearly displayed before you confirm the transaction. This graph shows the weekend liquidity penalty. Because currency markets close on weekends, providers widen their margins to protect against Monday morning volatility. To get the tightest spreads, execute your large conversions during weekday business hours. You can also schedule future conversions or lock in target rates for up to 180 days, giving you exact predictability over your upcoming supply chain costs. You maintain total control over your treasury, executing these hedges from San Francisco, Singapore, or anywhere in between. By displaying the exact mathematics on the send screen, foreign exchange goes from being an opaque risk to a forecastable line item. Plugging directly into local networks lets you retain that capital to scale your business,